Hello and welcome to the fourth and last lesson of the second module of Realty Ready. In this lesson we will discuss sales strategy and we will cover the following: solutions to problems, clearly point out end results, be specialist, be flexible, make your sales pitch exciting, listen what your prospects are saying, give your undivided attention, follow up until you get definitive answer, and ask for referrals. Lead with what is in it for your prospect. Many salespeople employ a sales strategy that ignores what they are really selling to their prospects. Solutions to problems. Sales strategy needs to lead with a clear articulation of the challenge you can help your prospect solve. Here is why. During the beginning of a sales conversation on the phone or in person, your prospect likely doesn't fully understand the benefits of what you're selling. The last thing you want to do is immediately treat your product or service like a commodity, rather than a valuable solution to a real need they have. Clearly point out end results. People buy results, not just products or services. Once you have captured your prospect's attention with what they will be able to achieve by what you are prospecting, it's now your job to clearly explain how that will happen and what they will get. End results equal value. Become specialist. It's great to think big and shoot for the stars, but when it comes to simple selection, you can get more results faster by thinking specialized. Start by picking a market that actually interests you, project that you adore and believe in. The competition doesn't matter. Just pick something you like and become the ultimate resource for that project. Be flexible. During your sales conversations, you are naturally going to come across new challenges and unique demands from your prospects. This makes sense since each person and situation is different, has a distinct set of internal processes and objectives. Since saying you can't, won't, that's impossible, and other variations of no to your prospect is a dead sentence, your sales strategy needs to be flexible enough to adapt in the face of new challenges on the go. It is that simple. You can't afford to say no. When you do, you lose your perception as a problem solver and instantly close the door to a room full of possibilities. Instead of disagreeing with or flat out turning down a request from your prospect, use a response like, "I'd like to make that happen for you," which will give you the opportunity to check with the management and see if there is any possibility to accommodate their request. Even if that means coming back to the negotiation table with new proposition or out-of-the-box solution, you'll keep the possibility of closing a deal alive. Make your sales pitch exciting. Facts and figures are important, but it's not the only criteria. You must present in a manner that generates expertise and confidence. Incorporating storytelling into your sales strategy can help captivate your prospects on a deeper level beyond just selling them strictly on the benefits, thus netting you more customers over time. Storytelling works well as a sales strategy because we are wired to absorb information much better when we encounter it through stories. Research shows our brains are not hardwired to understand logic or retain facts for very long. Our brains are wired to understand and retain stories. A story is a journey that moves the listener, and when the listener goes on that journey, they feel different. The result is persuasion and sometimes action. When you tap into storytelling as a component of your sales strategy, you are exploiting the thousands of years of evolution that have designed our brains for storytelling. Answer questions Negotiate and strive to use a different sampling of stories about your company, customers, projects, and yourself to keep them captivated along the sales process. Listen to what your prospects are saying. By building your sales strategy around listening carefully to the most common objections, requests, and other bits of information, you'll be able to perfect your approach and gradually increase your close rate. Give your undivided attention. Whether you're making a call or meeting a prospect, it's important to treat the conversation as the most important thing that you could possibly be doing at that moment. If you are not engaging with your prospect, experiencing interest while they are talking, or asking them questions that show your understanding, they will be able to see through your lack of attention. Follow up until you get definitive answer. Following up is the necessary backbone of any good sales strategy. Follow up as many times as necessary without being pushy until you get a response. If someone tells you they are not interested, then leave them alone. Ask for referrals. When people are happy with your service, they will refer you to their family and friends. That's why you should always strive to deliver excellent service all the time, even to the prospects that can't afford to invest at the time of the approach. And of course, don't be shy to ask for referrals. That was all for this lesson. See you in the next one.